Go.
All right, welcome to another video with FHS Economics. And previously we talked about equilibrium and shifts in equilibrium. And today we're going to talk about more about excess supply and demand, as well as producer and consumer surplus. So as we discussed earlier, when the demand curve and the supply curve intersect, that is the point of equilibrium, when the quantity supplied is equal to the quantity demanded. Now, whenever the price is below the equilibrium price at $5, so for example, if it's at $2, then you have a problem of excess demand. Because at $2, producers only want to produce this amount, but buyers want to consume this amount. So you have an excess demand. People demand more than what's available. However, when you're at a price that's higher than the equilibrium, say $10, you have excess demand, or excess supply, because more suppliers, they want to sell more of the product because it's at a higher price, so they can have more revenue. But buyers, they don't want to demand as much because it's at a higher price. So then you have a problem of excess supply. Now, at the equilibrium price, you also have producer surplus, or that's consumer surplus, and you have producer surplus. So at consumer surplus, these consumers, they want to pay, all the consumers above this line, they want to pay more than $5 for the good. They're willing to pay more than $5 for the good, because that's how much they value it. However, because the market or equilibrium price is $5, they actually have some level of surplus because they're paying less than what they actually value it for. So for example, this consumer right here, who values this good at $10, is able to buy it at $5, so therefore has a surplus of $5. And conversely, we also have producer surplus. So all the producers who are willing to produce goods at these prices are willing to produce them and sell them at less than $5. However, because the market price is $5, then these producers actually have a producer surplus because they're able to sell the product for more than what they are willing to actually sell it. So when you add these two together, you have what's called a total surplus, which is basically just the sum of consumer and producer surplus. And if you notice, when the market is at equilibrium, then you actually maximize the total value of producer and consumer surplus. And that's why equilibrium is something that, in a perfect market, is something you want to have. And that concludes our video about surplus and excess demand and supply in the equilibrium market.